Pinaganon pa man ay inaasahang magiging maluwag pa din ang daloy ng trapiko hanggang sa darating na linggo. Balik sa'yo, Carmina.
Alright. Ayan. Thank you so much, Melanie. Sa iba pang mga balita, presyo ng gasolina muling nagbabadyang tumaas ayon sa Department of Energy.
Colleen, sweetheart, have you seen my beige never full bag? Why do you have it? You're gonna borrow it? It's not even bagay sa outfit mo, Iha. Fine, I'm just gonna use my Goyard instead. O basta you hurry up na ha, because your brother is waiting for us sa my Shake Shack sa ATC. Alam mo naman yon. So irritable for no reason. Oh, Miguel, your sister have told me that one of your barcadas daw have failed a long exam. Is that true? How about you? Oh, don't look at your sister like that. No, just me. Yes, Alex, I know him. He's got a problem. Well, I wonder why your Auntie Julie hasn't mentioned to me anything about it. Never mind, ito na siya. Sleep over? Whose house? What's her name? Have I met her parents before? Is she from Sabel also? You know what? Ask your friends to sleep over here na lang. I'll ask Gaia to fix the room for you guys. Anong old enough? I won't bother you guys naman here. I'll give you money. Let's order food from CPK and Chibo. And let's order now because for sure, there's like a long delivery line na naman sa may Madrigal Gate. Hana, can you hand over my wallet?
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
Besan mo pala gusto kumain.
Kahit saan?
Wow, sinantsalat. Ito, Belok. Anong, maganda ba? Bagay ba?
Oo, maganda.
Pilit pa sumagot yan. Tsaka wow, dami yung isusukat, be ha. Sino mo bayad niyan? Ano ba? Be, sandali! Ba't ba ang bilis mo maglakad? Ay, eto baby back ribs, bet mo.
Sige, kita no.
Hoy, Jefferson, kanina ka pa walang kasustansya sumagot ha. Na para bang ikaw yung Bumble date ko last week na walang kainti-interes sa akin. Picturean mo ako. Dali, yung maganda. Ayan, ganyan. Sabrina Carpenters. Sandali, Candid.
Yan, okay na yan. Dami na yan. Arti-arti.
Pag ikaw talaga hindi ko pinag-aaral next year, may kita mo. Patingin. Ay, ang ganda! Ganda ng ate mo, be! Sinong mama mo? Parang ito nga yung shade. Focus na.
Tara na ate, hinina ka pa dyan. Iuwi na tayo.
Ano ba, Jefferson? Ba't ba kating-kati ka umuwi? Sa bagay, dami mong kati-kati sa katawan. Eto, binili kita ng Dr. S. Wong Sulfur Soap Regular. This has sulfur with quad action power which helps fight germs, fungi, parasites, and inflammation while drying out skin infections. Lalo na ikaw na lumulusong ka minsan sa baha para makapasok sa school. Kaya perfect yan sa mga kati-kati mo.
Huwag mo naman isigaw. Kakaya, tao.
Ano yun? Ate? Ano nga?
May date kasi kami ni Gwen. Hingi sana ako extra.
Ayun. Tapos pag pang date sa akin, manghihingi. Ay, hindi. Kung ko hawakan, dumi-dumi ng balat mo, maligo ka doon.
Happy naman.
Gamitin mo yung sabon na binili ko.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Ay, madam, sorry, pero maling spell ka po. Nasa Pilipinas po tayo eh. Alam mo yung tamang spell. Go, madam. Hataw mo na yan.
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin?
Ganyan. One more time.
Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat
Ganyan. Galing-galing naman, madam.
So, it is about my goddaughter. How do I...
Ay, hala siya. Hindi ko expertise yung part na yan, madam. Pero don't worry, let's ask the expert.
Poisoned apple. That should do the trick.
Unlimited house chores. Over fatigue shall be the end of her.
Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will break her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and she'll fall into a sleep like death.
Okay, now hold it, Mama Mars. What I actually meant was sleep, not an actual... She's been having a hard time sleeping lately.
Ano ba yan? Di mo naman nilinaw, madam. What you need is an advanced sleeping technology. By Tempur. Tempur relieves pressure. It adapts and conforms to your body for a true restful sleep. It's a happily ever slumber. Yes!
Now that is rather enticing.
This curse will last to the end of time. No power on earth can change it.
Tama ka na, be. Okay na daw.
Poisoned melatonin tablets?
Isa ka pa, bibili na nga ng mattress si madam. Di ba, madam?
Enough!
Asa na ba
Guys, oh my gosh, so sorry I'm late. Okay, but I'm here. Let's
8 a.m.
go.
ang call time, te. 30 minutes ka na namin inaantay.
Tagal.
Ayaw kasi gumana ng blower sa room.
Sa katay, ba't ka naka-full glam? Is-snorkeling nga ang first ganap this morning. Kanina pa
Ayan, let me see.
Ate, ang haba na ng tila.
Ay, kuya, pwedeng
ROI
pa-portrait
talaga ang
naman.
tour package,
Oo.
te.
Ayan, ganyan. Oh my God, you guys are from Thailand?
Yes, we are. You like Thai food? Ow.
Rai kanto pini, mo shamro pu shom pini, ayu sip sampi, kunpay, ati ha, siyang, runo ha. De, parang may potential to si Kuya, oh.
Ha?
Sparkling yung ang.
Ay, ate, hindi ka magiging tirador ng bangkero. Ate, meron kang minifan?
Ay, meron.
Ate, di ba meron kang power bank? Param naman.
Ha?
Power bank, meron.
Meron.
Ay, very
Abot
tita
mo
ka
na.
dyan, te.
Truthfully.
Ate, may tissue ka dyan. Sinusumpong ako ng allergy ko.
Ay,
Sa
sa
temperature yan, babe.
Eto, oh. Kuha ka na lang.
Thanks, te. Ay, ang bango.
Bango, no? It's the Kleenex Breathe Easy with eucalyptus oil and menthol. Rub mo lang or crumple the tissue to release its comforting scent.
Thank you, te. Akin na lang
O
muna.
siya, sige sa'yo na yan. Naku, perfect yan dyan sa allergic rhinitis mo saka sa mga flu and colds. Perfect yan. Ay, wait lang. Punasan ko lang yung pawis na abs ni Kuya. Kuya Eman!
Order tayo for the table, tapos share-share na lang.
Okay.
Start tayo sa sabaw.
Etong bulalo.
Guys, I don't eat beef pala, ha?
Oo nga. O, ito shrimp sinigang.
Yun.
Go.
I'm allergic to shrimp din.
Sera naman ito ni Bading. Tinola.
Not a fan.
Alam mo, te, mag-separate order ka na ng side.
Separate table.
Separate tour bukas. Kahapon pa kami nagigigil sa'yo, te, ha?
A boggart is a shapeshifter. It takes the form of what a particular person fears the most. Now, luckily, the spell to counter a boggart is quite simple. Allow me to demonstrate. Good morning, everyone. Settle down. Welcome to Greenhouse 3 second years. And today we are going to be repotting snake plants. Has any one of you tried online selling before? Yes, this one costs $3.50. Mr. Finnegan, get your hands over those succulent. Headmaster, did you know that Dolores has been blackmailing the students into selling her Yema in exchange for her signature on their clearances? Now you do. Please turn to page 1. Professor, can you tell us about Bellatrix Lestrange? Do you know her? Very well. Because ay na magkukwento na si Ma'am, walang tayong quiz. Bellatrix and I went to the same high school together. In Poblacion. O tapos Ma'am. And even back then she was quite the problematic girl. Cutting error. Abstinera. Mangungopia. Hay, talaga ba Ma'am? But she was quite smart. In fact, so smart that one day... The art of reading tea leaves. Now take a look at the cup of the person sitting opposite you and brought in your mind. And look beyond. Dear boy, your cup. Let me see your cup. My dear, you have COVID.
Ronaldo Wenceslao.
Hampi, anong Hamptons? Oh my God! Timing yung sinasabi ko, hampas lupa, lumabas yung Hamptons. Ha? I thought it was
Hampy life, the Hamptons life.
Rin. Napaka-aircon mo talaga. Ewan ko na sa'yo.
Totoo talaga yung mga skits natin. They're not really...
Humpy, akala ko yung Humpy Dumpy, Sata na wall. Karat.
Carl!